you see, okay, and whatever kind of components are used there, right? You have TV, you have mobile phones, right? You have your microwave oven, washing machines, all the electrical appliances. जो सारी चीजें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पर चलती है, they are doing some smart work, right? They are working on your command. When you turn on the switch, when you switch on, your light glows. When you switch it off, your light goes out, right? The same way on your mobile phone, we have a torch, right? A flashlight, which we can turn it on and off. So how this is made possible? It is possible because of the electronic circuitry. Okay. So electronics now, how it looks like. Okay. So basically, in the layman term, electronics is related to circuits, right? So any small circuit you see, they all are part of electronics. Okay. And all the electronic appliances are comes under electronics. Okay. And more precise definition, if you ask, there are two things people actually get confused. Okay, electronics and electrical. So remember, electronics work on lower voltage. मतलब अगर आपका कोई एप्लीकेशन है और वो काम कर रहा है 5 वोल्ट, 9 वोल्ट, 12 वोल्ट, 50 वोल्ट, 100 वोल्ट, बस इतनी लिमिट होती है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की. ऑलराइट, then above 100 volt, 230 volt, 500 volt, 1200 kilovolt, 700 kilovolt, 33 kV we see. So the big voltages are referred with the electrical, right? So basically when we study about the electronics and electrical, actually there are two separated branch. Electronics deal with the small components, okay, like resistor, capacitor, LED, and electrical terms deal with motors, right? And big towers, power generation. These all big stuff is related to electrical, and the small components and their circuitry is related to study of electronics. Okay, so you can see there are this. These are the basic kind of electronics devices, or you can say components you must have seen, right? So this is a resistor, this is a capacitor, this is some IC, and these are the LEDs, right? So resistors. Now what are the resistors, right? And how they look in actual life. So these are the pictures of real resistors, right? So I bet that many of you have seen this somewhere, right? On some circuit or some workshop, or maybe in your school, you must have seen this kind of thing. So these are the resistors, right? So we will see what is the use of resistor. Okay. So see, resistor is nothing but a conductor. Okay. Now you know what is the conductor. Conductor कौन होता है? Not the conductor who was born in bus. See, basically we have electricity, right? Electricity, and how we measure electricity. Anybody know how we measure electricity? There are two terms. Volt. Okay. Volts are denoted by V, and current are denoted by A, right? A means ampere, and volt, V equals to volt, okay? And current is denoted by A. So now what happens if I have a circuit, right? Let me draw one circuit. If I have one circuit, something like this, and okay, rather than doing here, I have this, right? Okay, so hold on is coming. So basically what happens, I have a battery, right? So the battery is the source. Always remember battery will be giving power to our system, right? Everybody knows. So the power will be given and the name you can see it's a 9 volt. So it can supply 9 volt. Okay. And if I connect LED, cathode is minus, anode is plus, right? And if I turn it on, what happens? Sorry, I should have connected like this. Okay, what happens? It is not blowing, it's blown out. So you can see there is some comment. Write that comment. Okay, what is trying to say? Current through the LED is 915 milliampere, while the absolute maximum is 20 milliampere. What is trying to say? कि इस LED, ये जो LED है, ये मैक्सिमम 20 मिली एम्पियर कंसिडर कर सकती है, 20 मिली एम्पियर ही झेल सकती है, बट इसमें से 900 मिली एम्पियर करंट जा रहा है. ओके, सो इट्स मोर देन like 500 times, right, or 400 times the current it can sustain. So इस केस में क्या हो रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा करंट अगर फ्लो हो जाता है तो क्या होता है, it bursted up, right? So to prevent these kind of things, to prevent the flow of current, so basically what is happening here, so let me draw it a little nicely. So if I do it like this, so color भी दे देते हैं black. So you remember what is the color of plus? Plus is red and minus is always black. So if I try, see, so what happens now, this how its circuit looks like in if we want to draw this circuit. So there are actually three things here. What are the three things? One is battery, one is wire, right, and one is LED. So how we can draw it? We can draw it like very easily if I want to draw. Okay, so this is a circuit and this is the LED. So LED, this is the LED. Okay, so I'm drawing it like this. We have to draw LED like this. Okay, basically this is the symbol of LED. Okay, these are the arrows. Don't mind about the arrows and all. I can make good arrows by the way. Okay, something like this. Okay, basically denoting that light is coming out of this symbol. See, so these are the wires, right? And plus is, so, and to see what are the names. So this side is A, I know, right? And this side is cathode. So A is connected where? To the plus of the battery, right? So we give a supply. So I have like in electronics or electrical, we denote battery like this. Okay, a long leg and short leg, something like this, right? So this is how the circuit looks like when we want to draw it on the paper theoretically. So this is what, this is a battery. So how many volts is giving? It's giving us 9 volt. Okay, giving us 9 voltage of power. We cannot say power, it's just the voltage. Okay, and how current flows? Current flows from negative to positive. Okay, so see, this is the negative side and this is the positive side, right? I think this much you must know, right? So plus and minus, just like we have on the battery. how current flows from positive to negative. So current flows something like this. Okay, in this direction, this direction, this direction, this direction. Okay. And this is the exactly it's look like in this circuit. Okay. Now what's happening that the amount of current from this circuit is too much. If we are connecting 9 volt, then it's giving us 900 milliampere. Okay, so it's giving us 900 milliampere of current. So this is amount of current is going through this. So now this amount of current, what is doing it? It is destroying our LED. So to prevent it, now to prevent this distortion of our LED, what we have to do? We have to limit this current, right? हमें इस current को कम करना पड़ेगा. And how we can do that? We use resistor for that. Okay. So see, so resistors is an electronic component which reduces the flow of current, or you can say it obstructs the flow of current. Just like when you are driving a car and on the road you get a bump, right? What happens? You have to slow down your car to go through that bump. So in the same way, consider you are a current and the road is your circuit and the bump is the resistor. So जैसे ही कोई रास्ते पर खड्डा आ जाता है, आप क्या करते हो? आप अपनी गाड़ी को स्लो करते हो, देन उसे पार करते हो, देन फिर से अपनी स्पीड लेते हो, राइट? सो इन द सेम वे दिस वर्क्स. ओके, so this you can say this is the amount of current. So big amount of current is flowing. Now it's a little small, right? So flow of current before and after, you can see it's changed. So, and there is one more thing, that there are some coloring here. Okay, so this coloring actually tells us what is the value of resistance. Okay, we will talk about this. So if I want to draw this, so how we can draw it? So actually on paper, how we draw the resistor, we draw it something like this. Okay, so okay, I'm drawing it very rough. Okay, and we denote it by R. Okay, so this is how we draw a resistor. So if I want to, I want to reduce the flow of current from this circuit. What I will have to do, I will have to connect to a resistor. Okay, so I'm connecting resistor like this. Okay, so what will happen? The amount of current will be less. So if 900 is going through here, now here, how much I will be getting? According to the value of resistor, I should get maximum 20 milliampere. Right? So if I do this, okay, if I do this, our LED will not blow away. So let's try to do that, right? So if I just disconnect it, so see where I have connected. I have connected just before the flow of current. That means plus side. Okay, so on the plus side, I can connect here. You can go with the diagram, or you can connect anywhere in the circuit. It doesn't really affect that much. Okay, so this is the resistor. Now you can connect any terminal to any point. There is no polarity in this resistors. So I will connect one here and one here. Okay, so basically मैंने बीच में connect किया, right? And then I will give it some color. Right. Then when I start the simulation, now see it's glowing properly, right? So now this is how it goes, right? So 900 milliampere is now turned into a 20 milliampere. Okay, या फिर 20 milliampere से कम होगा, because 20 milliampere is the maximum current it can get. Okay, अगर उससे ज़्यादा हो गया तो क्या होगा? It will blow. So and this happens in real life also. अगर आपके पास एक LED होगी और 9 volt बैटरी होगी, so try it, वो खराब हो जाएगी. It won't burst. Okay, so there is like कोई बड़ा सा धमाका नहीं होगा, right? It just ऐसे sound आ जाएगा and it will be gone. Okay, so Now let's have a look on the value of this. So let me clear the drawing. You can see it's in kilo ohm. This is the name, you can give any name. Okay. R for register I can give. Okay, or R1 if there are many registers, and I can change the value. So there are some values we can select from. Okay. So what is this? This is the basic value. Ohm. Okay. If you want to write 10 ohm or 12 ohm, 13 or something like this, you can do that. Then if you want to write big number like 1000, rather than writing 1000, what we can do, we can use this kilo. That what will if you want to write 1000, then this will be 1 kilo. You know about the kilos and gram, right? How many gram is 1 kilo? 1000 gram is 1 kilo, right? So whenever you want 2 kgs of sugar in the shop, what you ask? भैया 2000 ग्राम शक्कर देना, ऐसे नहीं बोलते, right? What we say कि 2 किलो देना, right? Because it is easier to describe. Okay. So this is the part about the registers. Okay. So whenever आप जब भी कोई circuit बनाओगे and something like this happens, so connect the register and your problem should be solved, right? So this is how you can do it. So this is about register. Now have a look. अब ये जो color coding है, it get changed when I change the value of resistance. Now have a look. See 500 और वो कैसे color change हो गया, then I 900, then you can see how the color is changing, right? So actually when you want to buy a LED, sorry, register, the shopkeeper looks at the color code and then he gives to you. Okay. You can see, right? So you can have a look on the color code also, but it is not required you to memorize it. Okay. So actually the color represent a number. You can see here. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on this side you see the actual value of register, and on this side is the tolerance band. Tolerance band means क्या होता है? That its accuracy, ये कितना परसेंट थोड़ा इसकी accuracy जो होगी वो change होगी, right? How many percent its accuracy will be changed. Okay. So yellow color means it will be plus minus 5%. If the meaning of this, what is the meaning of this? अगर yellow आपको मिलता है, इसका meaning होगा, suppose this resistor is 100 ohms, so the manufacturer cannot guarantee that it is perfectly 100%. It is perfectly 100 ohm. Manufacturer says that it can 5% less or more. That means it can be 105 ohms or 90 ohms, right? 105 ohms or 95. So between 5 and minus 5, it can fluctuate. Okay. So now we have to try out this circuit. So how you can make this circuit? Can you make this circuit? This is exactly we have done. Okay. Symbol of LED is mistaken here. It should be like this. Okay. So basically there is a battery, right? So battery क्या है यहाँ पर? Always have a look on the longer leg. Okay. So सबसे बड़ा leg कौन सा ये है, right? So this will be plus. This side will be plus, and this side is the shortest. It will be minus. Okay. So I told you that current flows from negative to positive. So current will flow something like this, right? So here also LED, it should be positive here and it should be negative here, right? So in this way we can connect. So basically we are just having a switch in between, so that whenever we press the switch, LED will turn on, and when we like remove the switch, it will be turned off, right? If we unpress it. All right, so let's try this. Very easy thing actually. So now we have a circuit here. So let me clear all the drawing. So if I want to use a switch, okay. So what is a switch? Switch actually is a device which helps us to turn on or turn off any supply. Okay, it can help us to turn off and off, right? So how we can use a switch, right? So actually there are few different kind of switches. This, okay, this is a push button, and this is a slide switch. Okay, so what is the difference between them? Okay, we call it as push button. Okay, if you want to see the name, you can just click here and you can see it is the push button, and this is one is slide switch, right? So push button का क्या meaning होगा? From the name you can say that whenever we push it, it will turn on. Okay, and then whenever we remove our finger from the button, it will be turn off. This is how it works like. Okay, so actually this is normally closed. So this this push button is normally closed. Okay, and when you press it, it will be turned on. Okay, right, and this is a slide switch. Actually the slide switch will give power from, it can give power to either one of the states. Okay, so this is also simple, like consider this is 1, this is 2, this pin number 2, and this is pin number 3. Okay, so if I have a supply, from here, okay, and I want to give supply here and here, so I have a choice. So अब ये जो position है, this is here, that means this is connected internally like this. Okay, so how current will flow? In this case current will flow, then it will go here. Okay, in the same way if I want to change it, अगर मैं इसे इस साइड करूंगा, so what will happen? I can, okay, right, so I can also give power to 3, but I have to change this. Okay, so the same way I can do like this. Okay, so यहाँ से current आ रहा है, it will go something like this. Okay, in this direction, right? Draw a little bit closely. Okay, right, so okay. So current will flow something like this, right? You can choose between two terminals where you want to give the supply. Okay, so let's try to use both of these switches. Okay, you can try it on your own. You can follow me on this. Okay, so let's make this circuit a little good. So we'll just remove all this thing. Okay, and I don't want to use an. Okay, anyways, if we want, we can. Right, so cathode is negative. So let me, if I can around. So this is anode. So I can connect it like this. This is cathode. So I can connect it like this. Okay. Alright. So ये क्या है? This is green. Anyways, so if I turn it on, it turn on. Okay. Don't worry about this because I have not connected any resistor. So if I want to use this one, okay. So rather than this, I want to try this one because this is easy example. Okay. So always remember this will be the common terminal. Okay. So this is the common terminal. So the common will be connected to the main supply. I have to disconnect this. Okay. So what how I want अगर मुझे on रखना है, so it is in the on position. So मुझे current कैसे चाहिए? It should go from here and then from here then here. So I will connect it like this. Okay. It doesn't matter where you want to connect. You can connect on the negative or the plus side. Okay. And for the ease of okay, we color it as the standard colors. Right. Now this is in the red. So when I start the simulation, you can see it's turned on. Alright. So again, I have to connect the resistor to make it work properly, and I will make this 100. Okay, great. Now you can see it's turned on, and when I click here, you can see it's turned on. So basically, what happened? The current is flowing from this, and then it is here. Okay, so it cannot go anywhere. It is not connected anywhere. But when I do like this, when switch is here, it can flow from here to here. So now theoretically how current is flowing? Current is flowing like this. I told you it will flow from positive to negative to positive. This is negative, this is positive. So it will negative to positive, that means like this. So it is flowing like this. Current is flowing like this. Okay. So when I turn it off, so it breaks the connection here. Right. And when I do this, it connects it together. Right. So always remember that if your circuit is not closed means if there is any obstruction in the circuitry or the wire of your circuit, okay, you can see this wire is broken actually, so it cannot work. It should be complete close. Okay, that means all the wires should be connected properly, so it will turn. So now you can see there is one more option. I have terminal 2 option. Okay, so I can connect one more LED here. How? Take this one. Okay, so I will connect it from here only. Like this. Okay, so this is a anode. So anode I will connect here. No problem. Okay, and cathode I can connect here now. Okay, and also I have to use. Okay, I don't have to worry about that. Okay, black, the red. You can connect anywhere if you want. Like what I have done, मैंने अभी black wire को connect किया है. I have connected switch on the black wire. You can connect on the red wire also. That doesn't matter. Okay, now you can see this is we can switch between two states, right? So basically current is flowing like this, right? And when I switch it over here, how current is flowing? Current is flowing from here and here, right? So this terminal is going on. Okay, actually I should make it easier for you guys. Right, like this, and it is anode. and this I will connect to this pin. So it should be easier to understand, right? So let's start. Right? You can see you can change the positions, right? Okay. So do you got it? How we are doing this, right? You guys got it? All right. So we can change the states of two lights. Now let's have a look on the direction of the current. Okay. So when I have this switch is closed, that means this area is open. So how current is flowing? Current is flowing like this: positive, negative, from LED to here and here. Why it is not going here? Because it cannot go. अगर ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक आ भी जाता है, so यहाँ पर ये open है, right? So it is open. That is why it will not go there. But as soon as I close here, it will go from here, and the previous circuit will break out because this is open here. So for the second circuit, we have something like this, right? So it will be here like this, right? The current is showing. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this or try to work on this. Okay, so take a quick screenshot of this. All right, and try to make it your own. Okay, try to connect this switch. All right. Okay, so you can play around with this. Again, you can connect one more LED if you want. Okay, now it's your job to play around with this. You just have to know which one to connect. Anode means plus. Okay, so मैंने यहाँ पर connect कर दिया. Now this is here. So what will happen? Now you can see on this state two LEDs are turned on because मैंने उसी के आगे connect कर दिया, right? So it doesn't matter what I connect, both will be turned on. So you can connect different kind of LEDs together and try to change between the states. Okay. Okay, so I think I should stop teaching. It's time.